In today's digital world, visibility is everything, and at XTROWS we make it unforgettable. From concept to execution, we deliver high-quality LED display solution designed to impress. Transforming spaces into immersive visual experience. This is the vision that drives us at XTROWS. In today's fast evolving digital world, impactful visual communication is not just an option, it is necessity. In this video, we take you through the complete journey of a high performance LED video wall installation where engineering precision meets visual excellence. Every successful project begins with the right planning. We start with a detailed area survey and site analysis to understand structural requirement, viewing angle, and installation feasibility. This ensures that final output is not only visual stunning but also technically strong and long lasting. Based on these insights, our team proceeds with robust iron framing, creating a solid foundation that guarantees durability and stability for years to come. To achieve perfect surface alignment and finishing, wooden framing is added, ensuring that every component sits with precision. Once the structure is ready, we move towards cabinet installation. Each cabinet is carefully aligned and labeled to create a seamless base for LED modules. This stage is critical because even the slightest misalignment can affect the overall display quality. Our experienced team ensures that every cabinet fits perfectly, forming a unified display surface. The next phase involves the heart of the system, the electrical and control setup. We install high-quality SMPS unit, configure receiving card, and execute complete power and data wiring. At XTROWS, we place strong emphasis on safe and efficient load distribution, ensuring that this system performs reliably under all conditions. Proper cable management and load balancing not only enhance performance but also increase the lifespan of the entire installation. With the backbone ready, we proceed to LED module fitting. Each module is installed with extreme precision to maintain uniformity in brightness, color, and alignment. This step transforms the structure into a dynamic display surface. Once all modules are in place, the system undergoes rigorous testing, calibration, and color tuning. Our goal is to achieve flawless visuals with high brightness, sharp contrast, and perfect color consistency. The final result is stunning, high-resolution LED video wall that delivers an unmatched visual display experience. Whether it is an auditorium, university, corporate space, or public venue, our solutions are designed to captive audience and elevate communication. At XTROWS Orbitwave Systems, we not just install LED screen, we create powerful digital experience backed by innovation, quality, and trust. With pan-India presence and customized solution, we are committed to delivering excellence in every project we undertake. If you are looking to upgrade your space with advanced LED display systems, XTROWS is your trusted partner. Let's build something extraordinary together. At XTROWS Orbitwave Systems Pvt Limited, we don't just install LED video wall, we deliver complete visual solution built on quality, precision, and trust. Connect with us and transform your space today.